Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if your Windows laptop will not hibernate. Let's fix that issue guys. First thing I recommend to do, actually go to search menu and type troubleshoot. Opens up troubleshoot setting, click on open. Click the other troubleshooters and scroll down. Here you will be getting the power option guys. You just want to click on run. In here you will be getting the power option. You just need to click on run. After doing it, close out of here and go to search menu and type power plan. Opens up edit power plan. Click on it. Click on the change advanced power settings and expand the sleep guys. You just want to expand it, plus mark over here. You just want to click on it. After that you just need to expand the allow wake timer, expand it, and you should getting two option guys. In here you will be getting here two option here. One is battery and one is plugged in. You just want to disable it, both of it. So I'm not getting it guys. I'm not in having laptop, that's why I'm not getting it. And you will be getting two option. You just want to disable it under the allow wake timers. You just want to disable it. Want to click on the drop down and select disable. After doing it, click apply and OK, and close out of here and go ahead and restart your PC guys. Now your laptop should be able to hibernate once again. And that's it guys, today's video. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.